In today's video, I'm going to teach you Taiga tutorial for beginners. Taiga.o Project Management 2026. To get started, open your web browser and head to the Taiga website. Once you arrive, sign in to your Taiga account. If you're using Taiga for the first time, go ahead and create a new account. Then verify your email address if Taiga asks you to do that. After logging in, you'll land on your dashboard, which is the main area where all of your projects are organized. From the dashboard, click Create Project or New Project to begin setting up your workspace. Enter a name for your project, then choose the project type that best matches how your team works. For example, you can select Kanban if you prefer a continuous workflow, or Scrum if your team works in planned sprints. Next, set the project visibility to either private or public, depending on who should be able to access it, and then click Create. Once the project is created, open it from your dashboard. On the left side, you'll see the navigation panel. This is where you can move through key modules like backlog, Kanban, sprint, issues, wiki, and settings. Take a moment to get familiar with this menu because it's where most of your project management happens. Next, open the Members section and invite your teammates by entering their email addresses. After they're added, assign roles and permissions so each person has the right level of access for their responsibilities. Now you're ready to create your first user story or task. Click New User Story or New Task, then enter a clear title and description. If needed, set the priority, severity, and due date so the work is easier to track. After that, assign the task to a team member and add tags or labels to help keep everything organized. If you're working with Scrum, move your user stories into the backlog and create a sprint so the team can plan upcoming work in a structured way. If you're using Kanban instead, simply drag and drop tasks between columns like New, In Progress, and Done as work moves forward. You can also use the Issues section to report bugs or keep track of project problems. For documentation, open the wiki and create notes, guides, or internal project references your team can use later. As your team begins working, monitor progress through the available dashboards, timeline, and reports. Make sure task statuses are updated regularly and use task comments to keep communication in one place. Finally, review completed work and continue managing everything from your Taiga dashboard as your project grows.